Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G580, a luxurious off-road icon that combines rugged capability with high-end sophistication. Starting with the exterior, the G580 retains its signature boxy silhouette, instantly recognizable as part of the legendary G-Class lineup. The robust design is enhanced with modern touches, including a bold front grille featuring the iconic Mercedes emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights. The flared wheel arches and large 22-inch alloy wheels add a powerful stance, while the available matte paint finishes and blacked-out trim package give it a contemporary, aggressive edge. Functional elements like skid plates, side steps, and roof rails highlight its off-road readiness, ensuring it's as practical as it is stylish. Under the hood, the G580 packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 550 horsepower and 600 lp-ft to torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the G580C offers seamless power delivery whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rugged trails. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, along with 3 locking differentials and adaptive suspension, ensures exceptional off-road performance. From steep inclines to rocky terrain, the G580 is built to handle it all, providing unmatched capability in its class. Interior design. Moving to the interior, the G580 showcases the perfect blend of luxury and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium Napa leather with quilted stitching, complemented by real wood and brushed aluminum accents. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and come with massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort for both driver and passenger. The dual 12.3-inch displays serve as the instrument cluster and infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The MBUX system offers voice control, navigation, and smartphone connectivity, making it intuitive and user-friendly. Ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors adds a touch of personalization to the interior ambiance. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, heated seats, and their own climate controls, while the spacious cargo area provides practicality without compromising luxury. And let's not forget the Burmester's surround sound system, which delivers studio-quality audio, transforming your drive into an immersive experience. The 2025 Mercedes-BMW G580 is the ultimate combination of style, performance, and capability. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring uncharted territory, it delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the latest luxury vehicles. See you next time.